apparently Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned. This is the big breaking news coming in. Will it end the impasse, the dialogue, the deadlock which is happening? The big breaking news coming in at this point of time. We believe we are getting to know the information. The big breaking news coming in is that Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned. What happens next? Is it going to be the end of the deadlock, the impasse, all of that which we are seeing? Pragya joining us live on the broadcast. Pragya, we are breaking this big news first. It's first on Times Now. Is it confirmed? Has Dharmendra Pradhan indeed resigned?
Absolutely. In fact, Dharmendra Pradhan himself has shared this particular information, on his social media handle, and he has written a long letter also. While posting this on his social media, he has spoken about how he has always worked for the aspirations of youngsters, and he has always tried to justify the expectations that have been there. And he also says that he is respecting this particular aspirations and expectation from the youngsters. He has written a very long letter about NEET as well, and said that despite the fact that on 3rd of May there was a NEET UGC examination, there were some discrepancies that were found, but Government of India had taken cognizance, and in fact CBI has also started investigating the same on the very same day. Despite the fact that government also started and also completed the NEET examination and also tried to do a computer-based test, from the next year, he has written